Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, where we tackle tricky words and terms and make them easy to pronounce. Today, we're diving into a long medical term, hypertrophic cardiomyopathy. Let's break it down together. This term is often mispronounced as hypertrophic cardiomyopathy or hypertrophic cardiomyopathy. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll pronounce it like a pro. The correct pronunciation is hypertrophic cardiomyopathy. Let's break it. First part, hyper, like high plus pair. Second part, trophic, emphasize tro, like grow. Third part, cardio, like cardio in exercise. Fourth part, myopathy, my like I, op like stop, and athy. Now put it all together, hypertrophic cardiomyopathy. Let's practice it step by step. Repeat after me, hypertrophic cardiomyopathy. Let's say it again slowly. Hypertrophic cardiomyopathy. Now faster. Hypertrophic cardiomyopathy. You're doing great. Hypertrophic cardiomyopathy is a condition where the heart muscle becomes abnormally thick, making it harder for the heart to pump blood. It's often hereditary and one of the most common causes of sudden cardiac arrest in young athletes. Amazing job! Now you can confidently say hypertrophic cardiomyopathy. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with anyone learning medical terminology. Subscribe to my channel for more pronunciation tips and let me know in the comments which word or term you'd like me to cover next. See you in the next video.